Hey, what's up guys? It is Coach Courtney here with our April recipe of the month. So this month we are making a cheeseburger bowl. Cheeseburger bowl is one of my favorite things to make for the week to meal prep. It's super easy, only takes maybe 20 minutes to put it all together. You can store it in your refrigerator, pull it out, add your toppings however you want throughout the week. So first thing you want to do is grab your ground beef and brown it up. I also diced up onions and cooked it with my ground beef, just add a little bit more flavor. You can kind of season your ground beef however you like. I did a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic, and a little bit of Italian seasoning to add a little bit extra. A lot of people will use basil or cumin, or if you want to make it a little spicy, maybe some cayenne pepper, whatever your heart desires. So once you have your ground beef already browned up, you want cheese. So you can use whatever kind of shredded cheese you want. Shredded, it just melts a little bit easier. If you have sliced, you can use that too. But today I chose pepper jack cheese. So we're going to top our ground beef with cheese. A serving, you want about a quarter cup here or 2 little pinches. And then once you have your cheese, if you let it sit there for a second, it'll melt, or you can heat up in the microwave, let it melt a little bit if you want that melty texture. Next, I'm gonna add tomatoes, lettuce, pickles, and ketchup. For the toppings, you can add really whatever you want. Basically how you would make your cheeseburger. The whole point here is we're just eliminating our white bread bun, so that helps eliminate carbs and just those refined grains that we really don't want. So my favorite part about this cheeseburger bowl, not only is it super easy to make, but it's also just under 350 calories and has 30 grams of protein. So it's a really good source of protein while also staying a little bit leaner. Speaking of lean, I also like to use the 93% lean, 7% fat. It also is the lowest calorie and still has a lot of flavor. You'll get a little less grease. And then I'm gonna top mine off with some ketchup here. You can use ketchup or mustard or no condiments, whatever your heart desires. And then you can leave it as so, or mix it all up. And then you have your cheeseburger bowl.